Question number 7. Travel agency problems. Vikas Travel Agency specializes in flight between Delhi to Bangalore. It books passengers on Dolphin Airlines at Rs 9,000 per round trip. Until last month, Dolphin paid VTA a commission of 10% of the ticket price paid by each passenger. Okay, so the ticket price is 9,000 per round trip, and on that the agency is being paid 10% commission till last month. This commission was VTA's only source of revenue. VTA's fixed costs are 1,40,000 per month for salaries, rent and so on, and its variable costs are Rs 200 per ticket purchased for a passenger. This Rs 200 includes Rs 150 per ticket delivery fee paid to Senti Express. Rs 150 delivery fee applies to each ticket. Dolphin Airlines has just announced a revised payment schedule for travel agents. It will now pay travel agents a 10% commission per ticket up to a maximum of Rs 500. Any ticket costing more than Rs 5,000 generates only a Rs 500 commission, regardless of the ticket price. Required is under the old 10% commission structure, how many round trip tickets must VTS sell each month to break even and to earn an operating income of 70,000. Second question, how does Dolphin revised payment schedule affect your answers to A and B in requirement 1? So the question is asking to find out the break even and also to earn an operating income of 70,000. So for break even point, what is the formula? Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So fixed cost is given 1,40,000. And what we require is contribution per unit. So this 9,000 is there, no? Ticket fare into 10% commission. That is the only source of income. Okay, so 900 is the revenue minus this variable cost 200. Okay, so 900 minus 200 is the contribution per unit. This one sorry. Okay, contribution per unit. Then break even point will be fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So 1,40,000 divided by 700 per ticket. The agency VTA need to sell 200 tickets to be able to reach the break even number of tickets. Okay, now they are asking to earn an operating income of 70,000. So whenever we are targeting some income, the formula is fixed cost plus the target income divided by contribution per unit. That's why we have done like this: fixed cost plus target operating income divided by contribution per unit. So 1,40,000 plus how much we are targeting? 70,000. So 1,40,000 plus 70,000 divided by contribution per unit. Contribution per unit is 700. Okay, so it came around 300 tickets. If VTA is selling 300 tickets, they will be able to make 70,000 operating income. Then next question is saying if they are operating in the revised scenario, when the commission is, the upper limit of the commission is fixed at 500 rupees irrespective of the value of the ticket they are selling. Okay, so they are selling the ticket at 9,000. 10% of that is 900, but still they cannot get more than 500 because that is the maximum limit fixed by the airline companies. Okay, so 500 is the income minus expenses is not going to change. Okay, so it will be 200 So 500 minus 200, 300 is the contribution per unit. Then for that break-even point will be 1,40,000 divided by contribution per unit, that is 300. Okay, so 1,40,000 divided by 300, we got contribution per unit as 467 tickets. So in this revised scenario, this VTA has to sell 467 units just to break even. Okay, and then for getting the profit, 1,40,000, same formula again, 1,40,000 plus 70,000 divided by contribution per unit, that is 300. So 2,10,000 divided by 300 is 700 tickets. So if they desire to earn 70,000 profit, they need to sell 700 tickets. Okay, the 500 cap on the commission paid per ticket causes the break-even point to more than double, from 200 to 467 tickets. See, earlier they were breaking even just at 200 tickets only. Now they need to sell 467 tickets, almost more than the double. And the tickets required to be sold to earn 70,000 per month to also more than double, from 300 to 700. Earlier it was 300. For earning 70,000. Now they have to almost sell 700 tickets, more than double. As would be expected, travel agents will react very negatively to the Dolphin Airlines decision to change commission payments. That's all.